Hello student, this is your mathematics teacher Anubha Tiwari from Srimati LP Savani Vidya Bhavan. Student, already we have started chapter number 8 comparing quantities. In last video student I taught you way of comparing quantities. Then I taught you converting fraction number and decimal number to percentage, and I taught you how to convert percentage to fraction or decimal number. Then I taught you ratio, how to convert ratio to percentage, right? Then now our new topic in this chapter comparing quantity is price is related to an item or buying and selling. So the first definition is cost price. What is cost price? The amount paid to purchase or an article is called its cost price. It is denoted as CP, right? Now the next definition is selling price. The price at which an article is sold is called its selling price. It is denoted by SP, right? Now the next definition is net price. What is net price? The sum of CP and AE is called net price, and it is denoted by NP. Now student, let me explain you the meaning of AE. The meaning of AE is additional expenses. So the definition of additional expenses is that these are expenses done after purchasing goods. Let me give you some example like transportation, stitching, embroidery, repairing, coloring, etc. That's why it is denoted by AE, additional expenses. One more point I just want to explain you. These expenses are also called overhead expenses, right? So we will denote it by OE. One more point I just want to explain you related to that additional expenses. When additional expenses are spent on goods, then NP is considered net price is considered instead of CP. Now the next definition is profit. When selling price is more than cost price, then there is a profit. Formula for finding the profit is profit equal to selling price minus cost price. Next, loss. When cost price is more than selling price, then there is a loss. Formula for finding the loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Now student, next topic is profit or loss as a percentage. So formula for finding the profit percent is profit upon CP into 100, and formula for finding the loss percent is loss upon CP into 100. Okay. Now the next topic is simple interest. So the first definition is principal. What is principal? The money borrowed or taken as a loan is called principal, and it is denoted by P. Next definition is time period. What is the meaning of time period? The money is borrowed for a certain defined time period after which the loan has to be returned. This is called time period, and it is denoted by T. Now the next definition is interest. What is the meaning of interest? After the end of the time period, the borrower has to return an extra amount over the principal. This is called interest, and it is denoted by I, right? Now the next is rate of interest. What is the meaning of rate of interest? The interest of rupees 100 paid after a year is called rate of interest, right? And it is denoted by R, capital R, and it is expressed as with this sign. Now student, the last definition is amount. What is the meaning of amount? The sum of interest and principal is called amount, and it is denoted by A. So formula for finding the amount is P plus I, right? Now student, if you have to find in any question, if you have to find simple interest I, the formula for finding the interest is PRT upon 100, where P is principal, R rate of interest, and T time period, right? Now if you have to find principal, so formula for finding the principal is I into 100 upon R into T, right? Now if you have to find in any question, if you have to find rate of interest, so formula is I into 100 upon P into T, right? And if you have to find time period, So formula is I into 100 upon P into R.